Check, check, check. Check, check. All right, it's working. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. All right, it's working. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. All right. So looks like we are open here. So it's cold, and here in Little Rock we got about a foot of snow, which we're not used to. So we're snowed in, and I'm out here in the stream shed. If you hear some sound in the background, that's a heater. I got a couple heaters going and trying to build some stuff locally. So I've been using ChatGPT a lot, and I'm trying to really get into all of this LLM stuff and trying to load one here on my PC. So that's what you see here. I know nothing about coding. I just let ChatGPT run me through the process. I actually I did this maybe 4 or 5 weeks ago. I installed all the models for Llama, and now I'm trying to figure out how to make a web interface. And so this morning, I don't know anything about Python. I don't know anything about coding. I just trying to figure this out. So what happened is I ran into some errors, and I just put the errors into ChatGPT. It tells me what to do. So I'm going to figure this out. So I just installed, I needed to install Microsoft Visual Studio tools. Did that. Now I'm going to run this code here to check the pip, which I don't even know what that means. And pip setup wheel version pip install. Let's try this again. Copy code. Delete that. Okay, run that. It's running, installed. Now it says verify, copy this code. Isn't this terrible? Just copy and paste. You're about to paste, it contains multiple lines. Freeze the correct version. Oh, cancel. So we're gonna do copy code, paste anyway. It says it sees it all. We're running, so that's great. Underline library. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to install a web interface to run like ChatGPT. And like I said, I know nothing about coding, so I just kind of want to string this to show everybody. If you want to mess around enough, you can kind of do it all. So you can see it's building here. You hear some clanking around. My dogs are in here walking around the shed. All right, so that ran. Now we're going to run the web UI. Enter. My dog here. Good girl. All right, so you can see there, doing all the installation stuff. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a cut and paste kind of person. I taught myself how to do WordPress this way. Now I'm pretty proficient at it, so I just really feel like AI is our future. So I want to see, well, number one, I want to have a local LLM on here that I can control. You've got ChatGPT went down not too long ago, and I use it so much, I was like, wow, I don't have a backup for that if it went down. Also, with they're wanting to ban TikTok, so you never know when something's going to be taken away. So I want to have something that I control myself and I can train. And like I said, I know anything about this, so I'm just going to learn as I go. And this is what, to me, is what ChatGPT is for. If Chroma Lab continues to fail, open Install the wheel. I think everything's working. Oh. Attempting to uninstall, successfully uninstall. I guess it's still working. So we're gonna installation, should not be that better. Let's see. The uninstall suggests that this later process I found an incomplete version of NumPy and replace it with a compatible one. This is normal part of dependency resolution. Blah blah blah. Here's what you should do next. Verify. Let's copy that. And I don't even know if it's still working here. Let's see. Display the version installed. Successfully uninstalled 2.21. Installed. Found existing installation to 2.1. Successfully installed. Return. So I guess I gotta try this again. Let's see, install. So let's do that. Let's close that terminal to open it again. Already satisfied. So now we're gonna install again. Installing collected packages, blah, 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 blah. I don't know what all this is. I don't know if it's still thinking. Let's see here, additional cleanup if needed. If you face further issues, ensure all the dependencies are correctly installed. Force reinstall. Share the exact mirrors. So I am up to this point here. So we're gonna say now cursor is blinking. Seems you encountered an issue. Terminate to current process. Alright, so we gotta close this. Okay. If you can't read it, it says if this installation hangs, use verbose mode to identify where it gets stuck. So we'll do that. Current already satisfied. So what I'm gonna do is just copy all this. So it says that page shows that open web UI and all its dependencies have been successfully installed. However, it seems you're now waiting for the next step to actually run it. So we're going to open, we're going to run it. So this is the cool thing about LLMs. I don't know anything about coding, but I'm just dumb enough to try. Missing command, open web UI. If the command doesn't work, try this one. Cannot be directly executed. So let's see. Let's do this. Command to execute. The open web package isn't directly executable. Let's resolve this step. Okay. Run the following to see what command supports. So I'm going to copy that. Paste there. Copy. Paste. Install complete, show completion, serve, or dev. So I guess it's serve. Install completion for the current shell. So commands are that. All right. So now we're going to try this open. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Loading web UI. Bedding model. Sweet. So it looks like it's working. So it's working. So we're going to go, you'll receive a URL or port number in the web UI. Wow. Okay. So we're going to go to that. Control click. Can't reach the page. Let's try this here. There's that. Copy. ChatGPT. Okay, is now running. Open this in your browser. Copy. Don't know why that's not working. If your unrestricted device needs network access, replace 00 with your machine's IP address. Okay. Use localhost. Try accessing it with localhost. Copy. Hey, looks like we're in. Connection is open. So we have started the web interface. Get started. Enter your name. Brant Collins. BrantCollins.com. Nope, nope, nope. So I don't want you to see my password, so we'll go to this real quick. Okay, let's go. Llama 3.2. So these are the models that I installed. Let's see if I can show you. Like I said, I'm a Mac person, so this is really, it's all new to me. Hold on, I'm just checking some stuff here. Just making sure I can see comments. Yep, okay, they're coming through. There's my test comment. Let's take down my name here. There we go. So if you want to comment, it would be right there. All right, so I installed all these. So let's look at, but the problem is the size. So the 90 billion model, I don't know if it will work because of my system. So we're going to look at the system. Yeah, update Windows, power storage. Display, sound, storage, multitasking. All right. So I have AMD Ryzen 7 5700X, 16 gigs of RAM, which is not enough. And I have a, does it show my card? It's a 3060. I think it's RTX 3060. And I'm getting ready to update all this. So let's see if this works. 7 billion. Tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire. Go. Turtle Sorare. So let's try this. Probably too big. We'll try this lighter model. Start with hello. Whoops, there's an error in your previous response. Okay. Bad response. Let's recycle it here. Confirm. Select the 3.2 model. Let's just use their suggestion. Let's just do hello. Hello. Oh, H-E-L-L. I'm a terrible typer. H-E-L-L-O. Hello, how can I assist you? So now we're running Llama 3.2, the latest version, and I think it's a multimodal. It should do some other things, but let's say, so my name is Brant. Okay. Looks pretty fast. So, like I said, I don't know a lot about all this. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. So I'm excited that I got this working. Now I have to figure out how we're going to do some updates. Call, record voice. Okay. So I don't have speakers turned on. Let's see here. Read aloud. Do I have... Might have... Let's see. Everything might be ported through streaming.
Hi Brant, nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's talking.
Is there something on your mind that you'd like to talk about or ask for help with?
So I'm using Ecamm on a Mac. I have a Mac right here running Ecamm, my streaming software. It's connected to my PC, and I've got Rodecaster, so all my audio should be coming through. So we're going to try this again.
Hi Brant, nice to meet you. Is there something on your mind that you'd like to talk about or ask for help with?
can, what all can you do? Answer questions, generate text, translate language, summarize content, play games, chat about shows, other offers, poetry, even scripts. How about images? Images? I'm not capable of generating image. All right, so in a few, well, it took me a couple of days. So, I mean, I think it was before Christmas, I installed the language models and was running in the terminal, and I didn't have the web interface. So now I have the web interface. Now there are other models to test. I'd like to upgrade the computer. I've got like I said, it's a Ryzen 7, the GeForce 3060. I think I will update it is it's the last version of the chip, so it's got I can only go so high with that chip, so I'm gonna go buy the highest chip I can for that. And then actually ChatGPT we had made some, let's see, go to chat. I've been working with chat, so let's see. Do you still have my current PC setup? I don't. Oh, we did that. Yeah, it's got everything in here. Hold on. All right, here it is right here. Here's my current PC. All right, so copy that. Let's go back to here. Here is my setup. I am running Llama 3.2. 3.2. But cannot run the 90 billion parameters. Okay. It's thinking. Okay. Considered cloud computing. So what we're going to need to do is, I think the number one thing that I can do, the cheapest thing I need to do right off the bat is get more RAM, which will improve performance. And this all makes it a better gaming rig, so that's good too. I know the 50 series, or the 50 series just came out. I'm sure that's great with the Blackwell architecture. Would probably run these models really, really good. So let's see. Let's see what it tells me over here. I'm gonna take the same prompt. Okay. from, I can run on my own model here. More powerful GPU, something like the NVIDIA A100, which I'm not going to be buying something that big. More RAM, I can do the RAM. So let's see. What is the fastest AMD GPU I can upgrade to? Threadripper, 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 Threadripper. Yeah, I don't know it's compatible with mine, so let's see. And those are expensive, so let's see. Let's go back to here. What? Let's say AMD AM4. Copy. That's not what I want. 4 X all the processors are mine the parent. So the Ryzen 9 5900X is the largest I can go before I have to get a new motherboard, build a new computer. So we'll start doing some upgrades to this computer, keep playing with these models. But like I said, I don't know how to update the models, so how can I? Let's go back to ChatGPT because we got that in memory. Okay. Enjoy your AI journey. So pretty cool. I actually clicked that up there. All right. So let's bookmark it. Done. Let's move it up to the top here. So you have a lot of favorites. It's at the top, so I know where to get it. Let's add AI. this. Done. All right, so now I can get back to it. All right, so we installed the local LLM. That's cool. If you're interested in doing this, like I said, I didn't show you the whole process. I just basically asked ChatGPT how to do it. I followed the instructions word for word. It's a lot of cut and paste, a lot of download Python, download Visual Studio, C++, download the models, download OLlama, which is the open source llama model. But now that Meta has made it open source, so it has Llama 3.2. I can't run the bigger models, so let's go look at let's go look at Llama and see what models are there. Or any updates. Try Llama. Latest model. So the 3.2 lightweight multimodal. I thought that I could get 3.3. So I can't really load some of these bigger ones. So 3.2, 1B, and 3B. Lightweight, efficiency mode, current everywhere on mobile and on edge devices. 11B and 90B are multimodal, so I can't run the multimodal. 3.2 latest. 32B. What did that say? 3B. 32B. 11 billion. Can do images. Let's see. Did I download that one? No, I have 7B. Alright. 3.3. I think this is the one that I'm running here. Multimodal. That's what I want because I want to be able to make images. So let's see. I remember installing them, but I can't remember. All right, so looks like 3.11b. So looks like 11b will do images. How do I install that model? Install disk space requirements, 11 gigabytes storage, blah, 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 blah. Plugin face. Open the WebUI interface in your browser. Look for models. All right, let's do this. Let's look in our directory and see what our models are. See, I got tons of games in here. Let's see, create a directory for the model. Create a new folder. The model, copy. Another shell here. Directory. United States. I'll say it's Collins Media. I am other. Next. Accept. Let's see. I thought that was multimodal. Oh, that's not right. How did I do it the first time? Oh. Repository. Llama 3. Llama, that's where I probably went. Visit the Llama website. I did all that. I already did that. All right, let's see here. Download models. Let's see here. Vision instruct, fine-tuned. Pre-train weights are basic and fine-tune. And I know I did all this earlier. I just can't remember what I did. So I haven't done this enough. So how can I add models? Meta 3.21. There we go. Vision instruction. Is that right? Multi-language is a collection of pre-trained instruction to image reasoning general models. Stop. Hold on, we're going to pause real quick.